Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a spin wheel on Whatnot to make your live streams more interactive and fun. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Wheel of Names on Google, then click on the website. Once it opens, you'll see a ready-made spin wheel with some sample names already added. Now, let's customize it. Click on the settings option where you'll see three sections: during spin, after spin, and appearance. In the during spin section, you can enable sound effects, adjust volume, and control how long the wheel spins. You can also manage how many names appear on the wheel. Next, go to the after spin section. Here, you can enable a winning sound, adjust its volume, and add animations to highlight the winner. This makes your stream more engaging. Then head over to Appearance. In this section, you can change colors, themes, and the overall design to match your stream style. Once everything is set, click OK. Now you'll see the Entries section where you can add names, and the Results section where winners are shown. You can shuffle, sort, or even add images and logos. Finally, copy the wheel link and add it to your Whatnot live stream setup. And that's it, you're ready to spin and engage your audience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.